This is such a nice, lazy Saturday. It feels so good to just sit here on the sofa with a coffee and read a book.
It really is. I'm enjoying just relaxing and not having any big plans. Oh, wait a second. I just want to quickly check the football scores from last night.
Okay.
That's strange. My phone isn't in my pocket. I always keep it in my right pocket.
Maybe it's in your other pocket.
Let me check. No, not there either. Oh no. Where is my phone? I can't find it anywhere.
Don't panic. It is probably somewhere nearby. You were just using it a little while ago, weren't you?
Yes, I was, but I can't remember where I put it down. This is a disaster. My whole life is on that phone.
Okay, let's stay calm. Panicking never helps. We will find it. The first thing we need to do is to think logically and retrace your steps.
You are right. I need to stay calm. But I have a terrible memory. I can't remember the last time I saw it.
That's okay. Before we try to remember, let's try the easiest and most obvious solution first.
What is that?
I will call your phone from my phone. If it's somewhere in the apartment, we should be able to hear it ringing or vibrating.
That is a brilliant idea. Why didn't I think of that? Okay, please call it now. I will listen carefully.
Okay, I am calling your number now. Can you hear anything?
No, I can't hear anything at all. Are you sure you are calling the right number?
Yes, it's definitely your number. It's ringing on my phone, but I can't hear your phone making any noise. Let me try again.
Nothing. I can't hear a single thing. Oh, wait. I think I know what the problem is.
What is it?
I remember now. I put my phone on silent mode last night when we went to the cinema. It's not going to make any noise.
Ah, your phone is on silent mode. That makes things a little more difficult. But don't worry, it doesn't mean it's lost forever. It just means we have to do a proper physical search.
A physical search. Okay. Where should we start? This apartment isn't huge, but there are so many places a phone could be hiding.
Let's start in the room we are in right now, the living room. We should be very systematic. Let's search one area at a time.
Okay. I will start with the coffee table. I'm looking through the magazines and under the coasters. No, it's not here.
I will search the sofa. This is a very common place for phones to hide. I'm going to check down the sides of all the cushions. Sometimes phones slip down into the cracks.
That's a good idea. Can you feel anything?
No, just a few coins and a very old piece of popcorn. The phone is not in the sofa cushions. Now let's look underneath the sofa.
I'll get down on the floor and have a look. It's a bit dusty under here, but no phone. Just a missing sock. Okay, so we have searched the whole sofa area. The phone is not in the living room. I am starting to get worried again.
Don't worry yet. We have only searched one room. Now, let's try to retrace your steps. What did you do this morning when you woke up?
Let me think. I came from the bedroom into the kitchen to make us some breakfast.
And did you have your phone with you then?
Yes, I remember now. I was listening to a podcast on my phone while I was making the coffee, so I definitely had it in the kitchen this morning.
Okay, that is a very important clue. Let's go to the kitchen right now and search in there.
Right. Where should we look first in here? I will check all of the countertops next to the toaster and the kettle. No, it's not there.
I will check on the kitchen table. Maybe you left it there when we were eating our breakfast. No, just a few crumbs.
This is a bit of a strange question, but should we look inside the fridge?
That is not a strange question at all. It is a very common place for people to accidentally put their phone, especially when they are tired in the morning. Let me look. No, just milk and cheese. No phone. The phone is not in the kitchen. Don't be discouraged. We are like detectives, following the clues. What did you do after we finished breakfast in the kitchen?
After breakfast, I remember I went back to the bedroom to get dressed for the day.
Okay, so the bedroom is the next logical place to search. Let's go.
Right. The most obvious place in here is the bedside table. I often put my phone there to charge overnight.
Let me check. I'm looking behind the lamp and under the book. No, it's not on your bedside table.
Maybe it fell off? I will look on the floor and under the bed. It's so dark under there. I can't see anything.
Use the torch on my phone to have a look.
Good idea. Okay, I can see now. There is a lot of dust, but there is no phone under the bed.
Where else could it be? You said you got dressed. Maybe you took it out of your pajama pocket and put it somewhere?
That's possible. Here is the pile of clothes I was wearing this morning on the chair. Let me check the pockets of my pajama bottoms. No, empty. I am starting to lose hope. We have searched the living room, the kitchen, and the bedroom. There is no sign of it anywhere.
We are not giving up yet. We have to be thorough. What did you do after you got dressed in the bedroom? Think carefully.
After I got dressed, I went to the bathroom to brush my teeth.
The bathroom. That's another room we haven't searched yet. It could definitely be in there. Let's go and look.
Okay, I am in the bathroom now. I will look on the shelf above the sink where I keep my toothbrush and my toothpaste.
Is it there?
No, it's not. I will also check inside the bathroom cabinet behind the mirror. Maybe I put it in there for some strange reason. No, just shampoo and soap.
What about near the bathtub or on the windowsill?
I'm looking now. Nothing. It is not in the bathroom. This is so strange. A phone can't just disappear into thin air. It has to be somewhere. I just don't understand it. We have searched every room that I have been in this morning. Where else could it be?
Let's think. Have you been outside the apartment at all this morning, even for a minute?
Outside? Let me think. Yes, I have. I completely forgot. After I brushed my teeth, I took the bag of rubbish out to the big bins in the courtyard.
Okay, this is another very important clue. So you were outside, and were you wearing a jacket? It was a little bit chilly this morning.
Yes, I put on my light jacket that was hanging by the front door.
Then that is the next place we have to check. The pockets of your jacket. It is so easy to slip your phone into a jacket pocket and then forget about it.
You are a genius. I didn't even think of that. My jacket is right here. Let me check the pockets now. My hands are shaking.
Well, is it there?
No, the pockets are empty. I was so sure it was going to be there.
Don't worry. What about a bag? Did you take a bag with you when you went out?
No, I just took the rubbish bag.
I am really worried now. We have searched everywhere inside. We have checked the jacket I was wearing outside. What if I dropped it in the courtyard when I was taking the rubbish out? Or what if it fell out of my pocket on the stairs?
That is a possibility. But before you go outside to search, I have one more idea. This is our high-tech modern solution.
A high-tech solution? What is it?
Do you have the Find My Phone feature enabled on your phone? It's a service that can show you your phone's location on a map.
Oh my gosh, yes! I do have that feature. I set it up a long time ago, but I completely forgot about it. How do we use it?
We can log into your account on my laptop. We just need to go to the website and enter your email and your password.
Okay, let's do that right now. This could be the answer to all our problems.
I'm on the website now. Can you please tell me your login details?
Yes, it's... Okay, you are in. What does it say? Can it see my phone?
Okay, I am logged into your account. The service is now trying to locate your phone. It says, locating device. We have to wait a few seconds.
This is so tense. I have all my fingers and toes crossed. Please let it be nearby.
I have a result. It is showing me a map, and there is a little green dot that shows the current location of your phone.
And where is the green dot? Is it outside? Is it on the street?
The green dot is right here. The map is showing that your phone is inside our apartment building. It is definitely in our apartment.
Oh, thank goodness. That is the biggest relief of my life. So I didn't drop it outside. It is definitely in here somewhere. We just missed it in our search.
Yes, but now we have another great tool we can use. This feature has an option to play a sound, but my phone is on silent mode. Will that still work?
Yes, that is the brilliant part. It will override the silent mode and make your phone play a loud sound at full volume. Are you ready? I'm going to click the button now.
Okay, I have clicked the play sound button. Now we just have to be very quiet and listen.
I am listening. I can't hear anything. Wait. I think I can hear something. It's very faint.
I can hear it too. It's a sort of beeping sound. Where is it coming from?
I'm not sure. It sounds like it is coming from the living room. Let's go back in there.
Okay, we are in the living room now. The sound is definitely louder in here. Let's try to follow the sound. Is it coming from the sofa?
No, I don't think so. It sounds like it is coming from over there, in that corner. What is in that corner?
That is where the laundry basket is. The basket where we put our dirty clothes.
The laundry basket? Why would my phone be in the laundry basket? Let me look inside. I'm moving the clothes around. Oh my goodness, I don't believe it.
Did you find it?
I found it. It's here. It must have fallen out of my pajama pocket this morning when I put them in the basket. It was hidden underneath a pile of shirts.
We've found it. I am so relieved.
Me too. Thank you so much for your help. You were so calm and logical. You are the best detective ever.
I promise I will never put my phone on silent mode ever again.